With the SwitchboardFree Call Reports page, you can access all your real-time call stats and information across all your numbers in your SwitchboardFree account. This is an incredibly powerful tool that will help you analyze all your calls and make better informed decisions about your business. To find the Call Reports page, head to the SwitchboardFree website and log into your account. Then, navigate to the My Calls drop-down menu and select Call Reports. From here, you can use the filters provided to find your desired reports. You can specify a date range in which you wish to conduct your search. You can use either Quick Date Select and choose today, last week, last year, etc. or Start and End Date and specify an exact range. Also, you can search for the number that the call was made from or search for a specific phrase in the call transcription. There are also multiple report types that you may choose from. For your inbound calls, you can view a list of all your inbound calls, a list of all missed inbound calls, a list of all answered inbound calls, and finally, a summary of all your inbound call results. Let's select List All Inbound Calls as an example. As you can see, all your inbound calls are displayed along with all their relevant information, such as call date, duration, hold time, and whether they left a voicemail. This is incredibly useful data to have, as it gives you an overview of your call management and lets you know which number is getting the best response for your business. You can also select Call Info for each call. Doing so will take you to this page, where you can access the recording and transcription of the call, as well as any saved contact information for the caller. Please note, however, call recording and transcription are premium features and must be activated separately. For your outbound calls, you can view a list of all your outbound calls, as well as a list of just answered outbound calls, again along with all the same relevant call information. Just remember, whenever you select a new report type, press the Get Stats button to generate the new list. Another great option we offer is the Callback list. This list collates all the callers that you have not yet spoken to, as well as the date and time of their last missed call, and also the number of times they have called you. This is an incredibly powerful tool that will ensure you never forget about a missed call and will send your customer satisfaction through the roof. Finally, you can also access your department selection data. If you have multiple departments configured on your SwitchboardFree number, you can see which departments each individual caller chose to be put through to. The list shows the number dialed, the caller's number, the call date, hold time, chosen department, call result, and finally, call info, as detailed previously. If you instead just want to see a breakdown of how many calls were sent to each department, select the Department Selection Report Summary. This is ideal to give you an at-a-glance summary of which department is the most popular and receiving the highest call volume. Please note that all of the reports shown may be downloaded as a CSV file, allowing for easy editing in any spreadsheet software of your choice, such as Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to be notified of our future videos.